Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joe Tech Tips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we have an Orico 2.5 to a 3.5 inch hard drive converter.
Oh yeah.
This is actually a really cool product because if you only have 3.5 inch slots in your chassis, you have that old case that you really like and it just does not have 2.5 inch drive bays, you can buy one of these. And I did buy them myself. I did not get these for free. However, there's another reason why you would want this. Say you have a hard drive RAID cage such as this. This has the ability, you can use those converters, which I did, just to show you, give you an example. Slide one of these babies out, and there it is. So it allows me to use solid state drives because this does not have holes for 2.5 inch drives. So you would need a converter such as this. It goes right in, and then you can use solid state drives in a RAID cage such as this. And I find this being very helpful because now you have the ability to use your older hardware that you have and used and bought at one time that's not 2025 compatible per se. Now we just made this beautiful RAID cage compatible with solid state 2.5 inch drives, or for that matter mechanical hard drives 2.5 inch, because you can do the same thing. So now you can use this or similar and use your 3.5 inch converters in this hardware. Now I have a multitude of these, that's why I bought 10 of them. So this is going to most likely be used for my Proxmox server, and it's going to be pretty slick. So it's real easy. Take the hard drive, put it right here, and push. And that's it, it's installed. There's no need to screw it down, however you can. There are screw holes on the back if you wanted to screw it down, but this ain't going anywhere. It's light, it doesn't weigh anything. If it's a mechanical hard drive, I do recommend screwing it down. However, if it's a solid state, you might want to just put one screw, and it comes with all the hardware in here. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
In the world of bytes and bits, where tech can make a strip, there's a guru with a knack for every digital tip. Joe Tech's the name, he's the one you'll seek. From gadgets to software, he's the one you'll meet. So if your tech's in a tangle, don't you fear. Joe Tech's here, let his advice draw near. With his help, you'll surely find in this digital world peace of mind. Joe Tech Tips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land. With his wisdom and his wit, every tech woe will surely fix it.